quality inspection of installed system. All panels should have the same make and rating. Tilt angle should be as per design. Panels are in true south direction. Minimum distance between panels are maintained. All clamps are tight. There should be no shadows on the panel. Earthing has been provided for safety. Combiner box has surge current and voltage protection. Solar combination box is waterproof. The foundation is properly secured. PVC conduits are protecting wires from direct solar radiation exposure. Wire joints are waterproof. Battery connection mode and inverter is as per type of battery connected. Check that the inverter is connected to earthing wire. The inverter connection should be tight. Battery inspection checklist. Thickness of cables should be more than 16 mm. Battery lug should not be hot. 20 mm gap between batteries for air to pass through. Positive terminals are on the same side. All batteries have almost same voltage.